Meet the Great Potoo, the ghost bird of the rainforest. This master of disguise looks like a broken tree branch during the day, blending perfectly into its surroundings. But at night it comes alive with glowing eyes and a haunting call that sounds like a mournful wailful wail. Found in Central and South America, this nocturnal bird is so elusive that even seasoned bird watchers rarely spot it. Its camouflage is so good, you could walk right past one and never know. And never know. And its call is spine-chilling. Some say it sounds like a person crying in the distance, and that's why it's called the ghost